What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And you know how we do here, so I'm going to give y'all 5 seconds. Okay, you should be subscribed now. Today we're here to talk about the Jordan 3 Muslin, or Muslin, or Muslin. Either way. Basic sneaker, dope outlook. That's what I get off first glance. So, hit the B-roll.
Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.
Hey, look, nobody's going to say it, but over here at Sneaker Notes, I'm always going to tell the truth. Jordan Brand does this thing where he does a collab with certain stores or actors or rappers, and they come out with a dope sneaker. And a couple months later, Jordan Brand takes that concept a little bit and adds it to an OG. So here, looks just like the Armaniers, not sort of the same look, but definitely the same texture and vintage look, in my opinion. I mean, in that comment section below, if you think I hit it on the nail a little bit, let me know. Give me a thumbs up. But that's not knocking this sneaker here. I think this sneaker is dope. The whole canvas look, the vintage colorway. I really, really like it. Y'all know my gripe is here if you watch the channel, but we'll get into that later. Enough talking, hit the music.
Unboxing time.
Yeah, that's how you win me over, Jordan Brand. Dope box. Nice presentation. Lately, when Jordan 3s and Jordan 4s been coming out, we've been getting that split view. I think we've seen it on the Lightning 4s. A couple of the latest Jordan Brand general releases I've been reviewing has been coming with that half cut. But this half cut colorway, in my opinion, is the best. Yes, the Lightning joints was dope with the yellow, but I like this cream on cream, off-white on white look, and with that red Jordan band there, everything blends together. So you got glossy on one side, sandpaper on the other, metallic red Jordan man. Dope. The other side has all the bells and whistles in that metallic red also. Your Nike logo, your Jordan logo, your swoosh, everything under the sun. Flip open the lid, and you got your OG elephant print. This never gets old, guys. To me, never gets old. OG elephant print. And let's start with the right shoe. Well, actually, the left shoe. This is your left shoe here, guys. 360 view of the shoe. So you come with your gray shoelaces. It's very hints of gray in the sneaker. This shoelace here brings it all together. It comes in that off-white Muslin colorway. But if you want the sneaker to pop, I think I'll go with the gray shoelaces to match the hints that's in the sneaker. So the whole sneaker, like I told y'all earlier, is covered in canvas or muslin. The definition of muslin is lightweight cotton cloth or original. And if you see here, this color here is original. A better word for plain. So yeah, that's all canvas here, guys. Hear that? I know we used to either leather, nubuck suede. Canvas is brand new. You come out of there, the sneaker really only has 3 colors. And that's the muslin colorway, the gray, and the red hints that's on the shoelace lids or eyes. That's on both sides. That definitely pops though. So your toe box, canvas, off-white colorway, but your gray here is nubuck suede. I thought that they would incorporate some elephant print somewhere in here like they always try to do with a Jordan 3, but they went with this nubuck suede gray here. I'm not mad at that. Let me know how y'all feel about that in the comment section below. Even your tongue is canvas. So it's really no leather at all on this sneaker, guys. Canvas tongue, but the inside is that beautiful red that we love on Jordan 3s and Jordan 4s. The back is where we have a problem, Houston. Why can't we get Nike Air on the booty? I mean, I get it's not an OG, but I mean, the Nike Air on this sneaker, just like the Armand Menez, would have went so much doper. I like the red, the big Air logo. I love it. Don't get me wrong, but I feel like they should have had Nike Air here. But that's where more of your gray creeps in around the back. That nubuck suede is beautiful, guys. Hold on, let's see if we can hear it. Shh. Yeah. As you can see, as I'm wiping it with my fingers, getting lighter and darker. That shows you the great material and quality of that. Gray at the top, your shoelaces creep down. You have the off-white color. Creep further down, you have the red. That's on both sides. This material here is also canvas too, but it can pass as like some kind of ostrich look. I guess it's because of the holes inside the sneaker. Those holes are also at the bottom of the tongue, all the way up until you get to your Jumpman logo or the top of the tongue. The bottom has the Jordan Man logo. Of course it does, because the back is the Jordan logo instead of the Nike Air. So whenever you have the Jordan Man there, you're going to have the Jordan sign there. But it's still original and OG Jordan 3 bottom. All the stars there. The bottom has that vintage look, which is dope to me. I have no gripes with that. I love the stitching. The stitching is the same color as the canvas at the top, making everything go together. You go your clear air bubble in there. This is the right shoe here. Everything the same, nothing different. So it's no hang tags included in this sneaker at all. Everything matches up the same as the left shoe. The insoles are red with a Jordan Man there. You would think at a $210 price tag, I would be mad at this shoe, but I like it, man. Even though it's a play on the Armand Menez, I like it. I like the canvas look. I'm not sure why we didn't get a hang tag of some sort here. I don't know if canvas costs more than leather. That's why we went up $20 on the price tag of this sneaker. But I really can't justify the $210 unless it's just the canvas look. Because we got one pair of shoestrings, no hang tag, no Jordan card. Well, the box is different. The box could add into the price. So yeah, I think it's justified, man. Y'all let me know in the comment section below. I'm happy at the cop. I got rid of my Armand Meuniers, even though those were top 5 sneaker of the year last year. I just didn't. I don't know, man. I had so many other sneakers to wear besides them, so I kind of got rid of them. So I think I'm going to hold on to these for a minute and see if I get the perfect outfit to match. Like I told you, I will put the gray shoestrings in here opposed to the OGs that come in. Y'all let me know about that lace swap. What y'all think about that? Let me know if y'all cop. If you're looking to cop now, StockX has them for about $250 right now, which is not bad. I think I paid $217 with tax. So that $30 upmark is not bad. They were going for $325, $350. It must be a restock coming out, and I don't doubt it. The way shipping's been with Jordan Brand, like internationally, been getting it 2 weeks before us. Restock's been coming often, especially JD Sports, Finish Line, DTRL, and what's that other one that always restocks with that long queue? Snipes. Snipes has the worst queue in the world. If you ever experience a Snipes restock queue, hit me in the comment section below, man. It has to be the worst experience ever. Only second to maybe the Yeezy supply room. But yeah, a restock may be coming with these. So I would say wait at least 2 weeks. Today I just brought Jordan 12 playoffs again. This is my 5th pair. So those came out what? 3 weeks ago. They done restocked 5 times. I have 5 pairs, guys. So if you really want this and you don't plan on putting it straight to feet right away, give it at least 2 weeks. Trust me, you might get it for the retail price. But it only being $245 right now on StockX is not bad. But you know with StockX, once you get to that 3rd page, $245 can turn into $290. Their taxes and stuff have gotten ridiculous over the years, man. But my highlight of the sneaker is the OG gray sock liner, man. The OG tongue. The whole canvas look I like. The only thing that bothers me, y'all know, is the Nike on the back. But that's something I'm going to have to get over because anything with a new colorway is not going to have that Nike Air on the back, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody get rich.
Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.